A recent cruise aboard the Costa Favolosa briefly turned into panic and chaos due to unexpectedly severe weather conditions on the night of February 18, 2026. An extratropical cyclone striking southern Brazil caused severe rocking. The vessel, capable of carrying nearly 3,780 passengers, faced strong winds and high waves as a powerful extratropical cyclone swept through the South Atlantic, creating challenges for both passengers and crew during the overnight passage. At approximately 10:30 p.m. local time, the ship began to noticeably roll and tilt, which caused concern among some passengers. Videos and photos obtained from that night show that interior dining areas were affected by the motion, with plates, glasses, and tableware scattered across the floor. Despite the dramatic footage, no injuries were reported, and Costa Cruises confirmed that all safety protocols were strictly followed and that the ship's structural integrity remained fully intact. The vessel was on an 8-day South American itinerary. Its journey included Buenos Aires to Rio de Janeiro to Montevideo to underway along the southern Brazilian coastline to Balneario Camboriú, where it was scheduled to arrive the following morning. During the storm, wind speeds exceeded 100 kilometers per hour, producing rough waves and significant rolling in open water. Passengers reported the ship leaning sharply at times, with unsecured items shifting in cabins and public areas. Despite the unsettling conditions, the design of modern cruise ships, combined with professional crew response, ensured that no real danger occurred. Officers continuously adjusted the ship's heading to reduce rolling, while stabilizers absorbed much of the motion, maintaining passenger safety. The Extratropical Cyclone was a large, low-pressure system moving through the South Atlantic and the Rio de la Plata region, bringing heavy rainfall, lightning, and strong gusts along southern Brazil. Meteorological reports indicated wind speeds exceeding 60 miles per hour, creating noticeable turbulence on the vessel. Such events, while rare, fall within the operational tolerances of a ship like Costa Favolosa, which is built to endure extreme conditions. Modern cruise ships like Costa Favolosa are equipped with advanced stabilization systems, navigational aids, and safety procedures designed to minimize the impact of rough seas. These measures include closing open decks, draining pools to reduce free surface effect, securing loose items, and adjusting speed and heading to maintain balance. Officers on the bridge continually monitor weather data, ensuring the safest and smoothest possible course through challenging conditions, while crew members are trained to respond quickly to any onboard incidents. Once the storm passed, the vessel resumed normal cruising speed, and the remainder of the itinerary proceeded without incident. While passengers were shaken and some interior areas temporarily disrupted, the ship's safety systems prevented injuries and ensured the voyage continued smoothly. Costa Cruises continues to monitor weather conditions in the South Atlantic and applies strict safety protocols to protect the comfort and well-being of passengers on all future cruises. Throughout the stressful overnight hours, the captain and senior officers had maintained regular communication via the public address system, providing transparent updates on the weather system and reassuring guests about the vessel's engineering capabilities. To address the disruption and the understandable distress experienced by those on board, Costa Cruises established a dedicated guest relations team immediately after the storm passed. As a gesture of goodwill for the interrupted evening and shaken nerves, management provided passengers with onboard credits and future cruise discounts, highlighting the industry's comprehensive approach to both physical safety and passenger care. This incident demonstrates how modern cruise ships combine engineering, training, and careful navigation to safely handle unexpected challenges at sea. While the experience may have been alarming for some, the ship's performance and crew professionalism ensured that the journey remained safe and passengers could continue enjoying their cruise without further complications.